What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video we're going to be replacing the screen on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take the bottom screws off. Carefully. A lot of people are afraid of removing screens from the 13s to 12s. All you have to do is heat it up really good. You need to get it hot enough to where it kind of burns you. You grab a blade, I stick it through the bottom, just flat evenly like this, and go up, and then I transfer to my special thickness pick. Okay, and you just cut through the adhesive. Just make sure it's really hot, but not too hot because you can burn the OLED, and if you're trying to save the screen, then that's not going to be any good for you. Just play with it. Gonna heat it up some more right here. All right. And there it is. And there you go. Just like that. Beautiful. All right, so just be very careful if you're trying to preserve the screen. Heat it up really good. Try not to burn it, you know. All right, so once it's opened, you're gonna want to grab your tri-wing screwdriver for these here, and for this, and these are Phillips. I don't know why Apple does that, but it's okay. Here's one. Here's two. And three. There it is. First things first, unplug the battery. There you go. Then you unplug the screen. And then you have to take this shield off. And there it is. So now you can unplug that one. It's this one right here. Beautiful. So we'll put this to the side real quick. And we're going to remove this. We have our new screen right here. This is a recycled screen, guys. It's an original OLED. Okay. So here we go. All right, so you got this little shield up here. You want to heat this up. This thing right here is very stuck, so you want to heat it up enough and just be careful not to mess it up. So you're gonna grab your tweezers. I usually pick out this mic first, and then this sensor, and then I go under. Just be very careful not to tear it. There it is. And then for this part, it's really hot, so it should come off, but Otherwise, you want to use a pick or something. I have this piece of thin plastic that I usually use, just enough to get under there and be able to pull it. So I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. All right, so now I can just kind of yank it slowly and carefully. And there it is. Just like that, guys. All right. It's very sticky. Just be very careful. Move this out of the way. See, everything looks the same. Everything else is there. Perfect. All the pieces are there. Housing, all that stuff. All right. Now we're gonna put this, line it up here first, and then the sensor, and then the microphone, okay? So make sure it's lined up, and then you can paste this on here. It's pretty sticky, so you don't need more adhesive or anything like that. Perfect. Then we just put the shield. Make sure the sensor's on there correctly. Okay, so we're going to put the shield right there. Get these screws one by one. Okay, there you go. We're going to plug in our screen real quick just to make sure that it's going to turn on. We don't have to plug that in yet. We'll just plug in the screen by itself just for testing. And there it is. Perfect. All right. So let's turn it back off real quick. And then we'll put the shields back on. We'll unplug the battery. I guess there was no point of turning it off. There you go. Plug this in. Bam. We get this shield. Start with my tri-wing screws. Final shield, plug in the battery. All right, so there it is, guys. Let's go ahead and close it back up. Perfect. Put in this bottom screws. And let's seal the deal. Beautiful. Guys, and that's how you repair the screen on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I did do the calibration with my machine. I just did it off camera, and because my cord doesn't reach all the way over here. So it's not really calibration. It's really what you're doing is you're copying the serial number from the old screen to the new one, okay? And that's to retain True Tone. Not a lot of customers care about True Tone, but it is a cool thing to have at your shop. It just makes you a little bit better, I guess, but to be honest, you don't really need it unless the customer really wants True Tone. It's all up to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't joined our team, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get that 5-day curriculum so you can join our team and get all the sources and be part of our Facebook group. I do have an announcement to make regarding our new POS. Our new POS system that was developed by me. It's called Quick Slips, so stay tuned. You're not gonna want to miss out on it. And thank you guys so much for the support. Also, if you guys need help with websites or any online digital marketing, let me know. I am here to help you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.